Next to, yeah. Close to, near to. Ooh, ooh. Hey everybody, let's talk about the prepositions next to, close to, and near. Okay, let's start with the preposition next to. Next to means that two things are side by side. They have to be beside each other to be next to each other. Let's look at a couple of examples. Pigeon is next to the oh wait, she's not next to the shoes anymore. Pigeon is next to the shoes. Now let's talk about the prepositions close to and near. When these two words are used as prepositions, we can use them basically in the same way. They mean the same thing. Something that is a short distance away from something else. For example, I can say, I live close to the grocery store, but I can't say I live close to the grocery store. So I have to use to with close. Now, with near, I don't use to. So I can say, I live near the grocery store, but I don't say I live near to the grocery store. So we're not going to use to with the preposition near. Let's look at a couple more examples. Pigeon is close to the shoes. Pigeon is near the shoes. As always, let me know if you have any questions in the comments, or write me a comment and let me know if there's something specific that you would like me to talk about.